Sermon number 178. Praise of Allah, transience of this world, and causes of the decline of Allah's blessings. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. One condition does not prevent him from getting into another condition. Time does not change him, place does not locate him, and the tongue does not describe him. The number of drops of water, of stars in the sky, or of currents of winds in the air are not unknown to him, nor the movements of ants on rocks, or the resting place of grubs in the dark night. He knows the places where leaves fall, and the secret movements of the pupils of the eyes. I stand witness that there is no God but Allah, who has no parallel, who is not doubted, whose religion is not denied, and whose creativeness is not questioned. My witnessing is like that of a man whose intention is free, whose conscience is clear, whose belief is pure, and whose loads of good actions are heavy. I also stand witness that Muhammad, the peace and blessings of Allah be upon him and his progeny, is his slave and his messenger, chosen from his creations, selected for detailing his realities, picked for his selected honors, and chosen for his esteemed messages. Through him the signs of guidance have been lighted, and the gloom of blindness, misguidance, has been dispelled. A people, surely this world deceives him who longs for it and who is attracted towards it. It does not behave niggardly with him who aspires for it, and overpowers him who overpowers it. By Allah, no people are deprived of the lively pleasures of life after enjoying them, except as a result of sins committed by them, because certainly Allah is not unjust to his creatures. Even then, when calamities descend upon people and pleasures depart from them, they turn towards Allah with true intention and the feeling in their hearts that He will return them everything that has fled from them and cure all their ills. I fear about you lest you fall into ignorance, that prevailed before the appearance of the Prophet. In the past there were certain matters in which you were deflected, and in my view you were not worthy of admiration. But if your previous position could be returned to you, then you would become virtuous. I can only strive, but if I were to speak I would only say, may Allah forgive your past actions.